But the one thing that Luigi came to me and talked to me about is that how AI is just ramping up way too much, and we should probably take advantage of it. So how does one person like myself use AI in this situation when I need help with my website, GMB, and Google Ads?
It's a good and difficult question. I don't really think any marketer knows the exact answer to this yet. I don't even think Google knows the answer to it yet. And they're one of the main creators of AI. But to me right now, I use AI to come up with ideas and to save time. I don't use it as an end all be all because Google itself is one of the creators of AI, but they don't like AI to be on websites because it's people that read and buy services. It's not an AI person buying services yet or buying products. It's still human to human. And so Google wants people's website and content to not be AI because it's not, the customer isn't AI. A human is the customer.
Right.
And so if you're just getting blogs and service pages and product pages written by AI, a human can pick out that it's, okay, this sounds like too much like
too robotic.
Yeah.
Right.
So Google's not even indexing a majority of AI written pages. So if you want to use AI, do it for something that's going to save you time. Like, hey, ChatGPT, give me 7 ideas on how to write a business book. Or, hey, ChatGPT, what are the top 5 most important things to rank a plumbing business at the top of Google? Or, hey, ChatGPT, give me 7 short paragraph outline of, the top 7 most important things to optimize your website. And then you can take those and like research those and expand upon those. Or, give me a 160 character description for digital marketing in Philadelphia. And you can use that for a Google My Business post, or give me a caption for these. The list goes on and on, but I wouldn't say use AI necessarily in your content. And then on the other side of things, when it comes to advertising, you can be broader in advertising now with paid digital ads like Facebook, like Meta or Google, which has its pros and cons, but you can be much broader in your advertising efforts now because of AI.
Okay.
If you have the structure and the conversion tracking and certain analytics stuff set up correctly, you can basically use AI to get better ROI from your paid advertising by even leaving it broad, because Google and Facebook are trying to get any small business to advertise now, and they don't want to give them a bad taste in their mouth and bad results.
Right.
So they use AI to get them better results.
Okay, so we can probably use AI, but then not as a solution for everything, but more of like a guide to help us with certain ideas or concepts, or just to help as a research type thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so the final kind of question is not really a question, but it's more of like a plug for yourself. If you had 2 to 3 minutes to promote yourself and Momentum, how would you kind of go about it?
If you're a small business and you want to dominate on Google as a small local service business specifically, Momentum is probably one of the top agencies in the country to help with that. That is affordable and easy to work with, and has worked with a business like yours and gotten results that you're looking for, whether it's on Google Maps and local search, whether it's fully optimizing and managing your website, or whether it's getting better ROI on Google Ads and LSA. We are a Google Premier Partner. I used to work at Google, and I built my businesses, three 7-figure businesses now, on the backbone of Google alone, organically. So I practice what I preach, and those are the types of businesses that I can help with. And I'm a blue collar, small town guy that would love to work with any other small business owner like myself.